Searching for affordable housing can feel overwhelming, but finding Section 8 properties on Zillow is easier than you think. First, head over to Zillow.com, that's Zillow.com in the search bar. Type in the city or neighborhood where you're hoping to live and hit enter. Now, take a look at the map view. You'll see a bunch of listings popping up. This is where the magic happens. Look for the filters button, usually located near the top of the page, and give it a click. Okay, a whole bunch of options just appeared. Don't get intimidated. Scroll down the filters menu until you find the keywords section. It may also be labeled search keywords. In that keywords box, type in Section 8, housing choice voucher, or HCV. Try each of these phrases separately for best results. These are the terms landlords often use in their listings to indicate they accept Section 8 vouchers. Click apply to save your filter. Zillow will now refresh the listings, only showing properties that mention your chosen keyword. Remember to double-check the property description to confirm Section 8 acceptance. Contact the landlord or property manager directly to ask any questions. That's it. Finding Section 8 housing on Zillow doesn't have to be a secret. Keep searching, stay persistent, and you'll find the perfect place to call home. Good luck.